Hi everyone, with another video, and this test will be very interesting because I'm going to use only $1 cheaper iPhone 13 Pro Max drop test case. Let's see, we're going to drop test for the case for iPhone 13 Pro Max, and these are just the cheapest in the market. Actually it's less than $1, but I give you roughly idea, depend on your country. And these are very cheap, you can find on AliExpress, very cheap. And here just a few case. I have the expensive one, but this time I want to do just the cheaper one. As you can see, even this can just bring out it's just cheap case. So sometime what happened, we have not much option in our country or city for the nice cases, so for a while time being we can use it because the phone is quite expensive. It's more than $1,000 and the case $1. So let's see how it's will be make protection. So one by one I'm going to place. Here you can see the iPhone is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I'm going to place here. The first case will be just black matte, and okay, one thing I want to mention here, okay, as you can see it's quite dangerous little bit because the camera actually is not much protected, but let's see, test is test. So what I'm going to do, I will test only the table height. Many people, they do the test on the height for the head. In the real life, no phone drop from the head height, right? Mostly the pocket height or from the hand height. So the hand height, pocket height is exactly same like 4 feet, 3 to 4 feet, depend on the person height. Mostly if the girl is 3 feet or 3.5 feet. So this table I will use it, and it will be almost 3.5 feet. So most is realistic, the phone will be on the table and it will be fall down from the table. So it will, because if I will drop like this or I will drop like this, it will be different. But I will just press from here and it will go with his own weight. How it will be fall down, let's see. Okay, let's start our drop test. Okay, now you can see this is a table and I'm going to fall down the phone from there, and this height almost 3, and my height is almost nearly 6 feet, so it will be almost 3 feet. Yeah, more than 3 feet. So I'm going to, and here's the phone, as you can see, it's turned on, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to let it fall from here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nothing happened. As you can see, the voice is quite big, but yeah, let's open it. No bend, nothing. Especially the camera side, I was a little scared, but nothing here also. Let's try with another case. This case quite nice for me because the camera little protection. So let's put it inside. Okay, again, phone is okay, working. So let's try from here. Okay, you can see the table. So 1, 2, 3. Wow. Here, nothing, no dent, no impact. Yeah, so far no, nothing. It's just, and the camera also well protected. So the last one, I want to try this case, transparent white with the protection for the camera, and let's just quick put inside. Yeah, let's try this one, and let me up slightly the camera. Okay, okay, one, two, three. Oh, this time the camera part come out for the case. As I told you, it's just very weak, but there is no crack, no bend or scratches on the phone, and it's working as it is. So this $1 camera, $1 case, silicone case, or iPhone 13 Pro Max cases are acceptable, because sometimes people, they are selling because the phone is expensive and there's a lot of cases in the market is like $50, $100 is crazy for me. If $1 or $2 case can work for you, so why we need to pay? But for me, I think this case quite nice. The reason is, if you place it here, as you can see, the camera almost quite protected and slightly bump on the top, have kind of bumpers. So yeah, if you buy, try to see the case should be something like that. It will be more, and you can see they protect the corners also well, you can see. So that was $1 iPhone 13 Pro. Here I want to show you another case, the last one. This is almost $20, original Apple, as you can see here. This is iPhone. I got it together with the phone, but actually I don't have option, otherwise I will not choose this color. This is, so I'm going to test with this Apple case test here. If you go to the official shop, you can find this case with the different nice colors, but this is kind of aqua or what. So now I'm going to you can see very nicely. Yeah, like this. Okay, so here you can see slightly they are up, but actually it's not much up. If you see, the camera bump still come out, so it's kind of dangerous for me. And here even I put the case, but this area, so I have to press more. As you can see, very tight. Should be, the case should be tight, so if impact will be harder, it will be not come out. So all this side not cover yet, and so now all sides cover. So I'm going to place it here, this side, and then I'm going to fall down. Yeah, from here, 1, 2, 3. Wow, face down, and let's see. Whoa, nothing. Look, everything so far. So this case is $20, $20 to $25, depend on your country. Silicone, but little bit harder, but so far nothing. Yeah, everything is protected. See you.